Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarabjit Sidhu. Today I will be speaking about what is pharmacodynamics and what is pharmacokinetics with reference to clinical trial. So this is the one thing I suggest to all the folks who approach me, that in addition to your GCP guideline and in addition to your local regulatory guideline, you should also know about this if you are not from a pharmacy background. So what is pharmacokinetics? It is what the body does to drug. That easy. So you imagine phase 1, phase 2 protocol. Whenever you will be reading those protocol, you will come across these terms. Pharmacokinetics is basically what the body does to drug. So in way, you are taking a medicine. This is a picture explaining pharmacokinetics, how it is getting absorbed. Now it may be oral route, it may be IV, IM, so that is a different story. We won't go in that. But for an idea how it is going to be absorbed, how will it get in the body? It may be an oral, IV, IM, whatever the route is. Second is how it is going to metabolize, how is it being broken down in within the system, like a liver, how it will be processing it, then how it will get distribute. That's how you will come to know that how long it will take to show its effect, where will it go, right? Transportations basically. And the finally the remaining part, how it will go out from the body. That is the fundamental of your ADME, short term, which we all know, is pharmacokinetics. How it is getting in the body, that is your absorption. It may be by injection, it may be by tablet, capsule, and metabolize. How it is going to break down. Suppose the drug that we are taking, it is not breaking down in the body, that means it is not going to help us. How it is going to transport within the body? By a blood. How, that's why we learn about food effect, or all that thing. Then how it is going to excrete from the body, right? So also known with the ADME term. Now next comes to our pharmacodynamics. That means you have taken a drug. I have another diagram I will show you. You have taken a drug, it gone in the body. Now is the action time. Correct. So pharmacodynamic is that what the drug does to body, how it is showing its activity, action time. So it got absorbed. Is it going to brain? Is it going to show effect in a blood? Or how it is basically mechanism of an action of a drug is a pharmacodynamics, right? So relationship between the drug concentration and its effect. Drug concentration and its effect is your pharmacodynamics. And in other words, this focus on the mechanism of action of the drug, or you can say biological response. I have taken one tablet, it got absorbed, distributed, metabolized, excreted. Now how it is going to show the effect in the body. So now I am showing you another flow chart to be very clearly showing you how both are interconnected. And most of the protocols, when they are on an initial stage, phase 1, phase 2, these two are studied in depth. Pharmacokinetics, so drug is administered either orally, IV, IM. So the first action will be, it is absorption, right? That is, we are studying pharmacokinetics. Then drug will metabolized, it will get distributed, and the remaining, the additional, it will get excreted from the body. Now the drug which has been metabolized and distributed, it will bring some effect. This will transfer to site action. I'm having headache, I'm having fever. Accordingly, it will go to a site action. Regulatory proteins, it will bind them, bind to the molecular target. Affinity, it will show the affinity. So mechanism of the drug will come into picture. So enzyme receptor, ion channel transportation, all will happen in your pharma pharmacodynamics. So in pharmacodynamics, you can tell clearly that how it is bringing a biological response. So response to drug, that means efficacy, how it is showing its effect in the body. So this is all about pharmacokinetics, kinetics and dynamics in relation to clinical trial. Why I'm saying so again and again, this much if you know in clinical trial is sufficient. If you are a PK scientist, that's a separate story, but I will also leave a link to one article in chat in a comment section so that you can refer it further. Thank you so much.